In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A36 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Advanced Features. Then select one-handed mode and use this switcher to activate it. Following that, use one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button. Wherever you decided, follow all of the instructions below the chosen option. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To move it around, hold this sign at the top and drag it as well, or use one of those icons on the left or on the right. To go back to standard size screen, click on this area, the blurry one, and to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!